it's Nate at CPO Festool. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about my TS55 track saw. It comes in a awesome sustainer with the rail, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about how it enables you to work faster, easier, and smarter. This Festool track saw system, it allows you to work faster because the rail has anti-slip tracks on the bottom and a splinter guard. So you make your marks, set your rail down, put your saw on there, and it slides along the rail to cut on your mark every single time, whether straight or on a bevel. The TS55 is easier because it'll do the work of a table saw, a panel saw, or a miter saw, all as one handheld device. You don't have to pick up the material and carry it to your saw. You can use this saw on your material, whether you're in your shop or on a job site. This system is smarter because you can make a finished quality cut the first time with less waste. There's no scribing, no taping, no offsets to remember, and because it's a plunge cut saw, you can start and finish your cut anywhere in your material. It's definitely a safer system because when your blade is not being used, it retracts back up into the saw. Besides being the most awesome way to break down sheet goods, there's some other applications that are really awesome as well. You can prep, true, and cross-cut solid wood stock. You can use it for flooring installation, for cutouts on sinks and stovetops, and also for repair work. So to make a real quick rip, you just make your marks, and you set your splinter guide right on those marks, because your scribe line is always going to be your cut line. Grab your hose in your cord, tactical power cord, plug it into the saw, set it into your rail, and you're ready to go to work. So you can see that our cut is right on the edge of our splinter guard. The cut quality is amazing, ready for glue up, no splintering, and virtually no dust. There are dozens of accessories available. I'm going to tell you a little bit about the most important ones. You can get a 10-foot guide, so when you got to cut 8-foot material, that's fantastic, but sometimes you don't want to carry that long rail around. You can get two rails. You can connect them together with your connectors, and you'll see that this one has the LR32 system built in, so when you're doing hole drilling in bookcases and cabinetry. You have replaceable splinter guards. Eventually that splinter guard will wear out, so when you're not happy with the quality of cut you're getting, even with a sharp blade, you just replace that. There's a couple kinds of clamps, quick clamp, screw clamp, depending on what you're doing. They both come in really handy. Sometimes you'll want to clamp your guide rail down if you're cutting a really expensive piece of wood or doing some door work. When your cutoff quality is just as important as the safe side, you can use an anti-splinter guard. Comes with the saw, but there's 5 packs available. And stops. When you're making repeatable plunge cuts, you can put your stop right into your rail. On both sides, one's included, but you can get a second one to make the plunge cuts repeatable every time. And one of my favorite accessories is the parallel guide. This allows you to use your TS55 just like a table saw for repeatable cuts time after time after time. And then, of course, there's replacement blades. We have rip blades, solid surface blades, which are also great for melamine, and the standard 48 tooth for all your general purpose cutting.